Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Max and the Pizza. Story and pictures by Mitkevich. Read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader. Max and the Pizza. This is Max. He's 6 years old. He likes to cook. Yesterday, Max helped his mom to make pizza. Mom made some pizza dough. When it was ready, she gave some dough to Max to play with. When Mom wasn't looking, he took a small bite.
Okay, Max, do it. Oil, sunflower oil on the pizza pan. Thank you, Max. I can see your face.
Mom pressed the pizza dough on the pizza tray with her hands. Max helped her and had another bite.
Max, you're wonderful.
Mom gave Max a small spoon and some ketchup. Max drew a red circle with 4 lines in the middle of the pizza. Mom drew some more lines with her spoon. "It looks like the sun," said Max. Then Max smeared the ketchup all over the pizza.
Max is spreading the sauce, the ketchup, on top of our pizza. Spread it all over the pizza, honey. And we have some spices, Italian herbs, Italian spices to sprinkle on top.
Next, Max sprinkled some Italian spices and herbs on the pizza. Mom grated some cheese. Max covered the pizza with the yellow cheese. He ate some cheese too. Yum, yum! After that, Mom put the pizza in the hot oven to bake. They waited for about 12 minutes. Finally, the pizza was ready. Mom took it out of the oven. Max was in a hurry to try some pizza. He was very hungry. He ate 2 big pizza slices. He drank some water. He loves water. Oops! Max accidentally spilled some water on his pizza. "I'm sorry," he said. "I didn't mean to do that." "It's okay," said Mom. "Accidents happen. Don't worry. We'll wipe it off." "Thanks for helping me make this pizza, Max. It is delicious," said Mom, eating her slice of pizza. Max smiled. He liked pizza. Max likes plain pizza and pizza with sausage cubes. How about you? Max likes cooking with Mom. Making pizza and cakes are one of his favorite things. The end. Did you like my story? I hope you did. You can buy this book on Amazon. The link is in the video description. Did you read any other stories about Max? Which one is your favorite? Please share with me in the comments. Max and the car, Max and the snowman, Max and the paper airplanes, Max and the cow, the hare and the fox. And now, let's see how well you remember the story. Can you answer my questions? How old is Max in the story? Max is 6 years old, that's right. What is the story called? What is the title of the story? It's called Max and the Pizza. Does Max like to cook? Yes, he does. He likes to cook. What did Max help his mom make yesterday? Yesterday, Max helped his mom to make pizza. Who made the pizza dough? Mom made the pizza dough. What did Max draw on the pizza? Max drew a red circle on the pizza. Mom grated some cheese, didn't she? Yes, she did. She grated some cheese. Who took the pizza out of the hot oven? Mom did. Mom took the pizza out of the hot oven. Why was Max in a hurry to try some pizza? Yes, because he was hungry. Max was in a hurry to try some pizza because he was hungry. Does Max like to drink water? Yes, he does. Max likes to drink water. Did Max or Mom spill some water on the pizza? Max did. Max accidentally spilled some water on his pizza. What did Mom say when Max spilled the water? She said, "It's okay. Accidents happen. Don't worry, we'll wipe it off." What kind of pizza does Max like? Max likes plain pizza and pizza with sausage cubes. What is one of Max's favorite things? Making pizza and cakes with his mom are one of Max's favorite things to do. What was your favorite part in this story? Okay, I see. What new words did you learn? Did you learn any new words? What does Max learn in this story? He learns how to make pizza. A sequel is a book that continues the story of the previous book. If you wrote a sequel to this book, what title would you give it and why? Thank you for answering my questions. You are so smart. And this is my Max. If you like the way I read books aloud, you can thank me here. PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you. Like and subscribe, please. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.